Boxes of COVID-19 vaccine are sent to hospitals across the U.S. The facilities are getting ready. Frontline healthcare workers and the elderly are the first in line. For details, let's turn to our Kim Do-yeon.
Trucks line up to load COVID-19 vaccines at Pfizer's Michigan plant as the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention Director Robert Redfield on Sunday signed off on the vaccine. This will allow inoculations of people aged 16 years or older. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration first approved the vaccine on Friday. With the shots expected to be given first to healthcare workers and residents of long-term care nursing homes starting Monday, delivery of the doses will be challenging. The vaccines will have to be stored below -70 degrees Celsius. Each vial, which contains 5 doses, will be put into a tray that holds 195 vials, or about 1,000 doses, which in turn will be put into a box the size of a suitcase. These boxes, containing 3 million doses for this initial shipment, are then to travel to sites that can properly store the vaccines. The first shipment sees doses arriving at 145 distribution centers on Monday, with another 425 sites getting shipments on Tuesday, and the remaining 66 on Wednesday. Despite the complicated process, the general in charge of the operation to produce and distribute vaccines called it a historic day.
I have 100% confidence that we will get the vaccines to the American people and that it will be safe and it will be secure when it arrives.
Speaking to Fox News on Sunday, chief advisor to the operation, Dr. Monsef Slaoui, said the U.S. hopes to immunize 100 million Americans in the first quarter of 2021. He also hopes to have 40 million doses distributed by the end of December, using Pfizer and Moderna, which is expected to get emergency use authorization for its vaccine later this week. Kim Do-yeon, Arirang News.